Alexa, back with yet another video. I am back here at Whitten Brothers here off Midlothian Turnpike in Richmond, Virginia, and I have my salesman here with me once again, Trayvon. Look, this is video number 4. I feel like it's number 4, bro. As you can tell, he has been a good connect here, but as you guys can tell by the vehicle in front of me, this is not a Dodge or a Ram or a Jeep or a Mazda or a Chrysler. Exactly. So they got a nice little token on their lot. This is a Nissan 370Z. Got the NISMO on the front. Got some lovely nice red brake calipers. Hold up, I have to ask, did you see my brake caliper video? The new one. See, you know what? I ought to cut this video off right now.
Yeah, like that?
No. Yeah, I just posted that video. If you guys want to know how badly you probably need your brake calipers painted, go watch my video. Because mine,
you get a chance to look at them when we go.
Mine were, oh yeah. So when he walks me back to my car, he can take a nice little look at it. But anyway, back to the NISMO. This is a 2016 NISMO. Now, to be honest, you guys, this is out of my realm. You guys know I'm more into the muscle cars, but I wanted to dive my foot into some of the more smaller, sportier vehicles with, you know, smaller engines as well. Does this have a V6 or is this 4-cylinder?
It's probably V6 turbo.
Okay, so because like I said, I really don't know much about these cars, so
it's a 3.7 liter V6 DOHC.
okay. I was like, shoot, sounds good. I remember before I decided to go muscle, I thought about possibly getting one of these. What turned me off was that they don't have any back seats,
right? And
I need that small bit of practicality. But here's the back. Not bad at all. Hold up, these tips are way bigger than I was expecting. Okay, trying to look sporty and stuff. See, I guess it's because that NISMO. I wouldn't mind a little exhaust clip, but I like the red accents. That looks really nice. That's clean.
There you go.
All right, I ain't mad at it.
Sounds nice.
I like that.
How about that?
Okay.
Caught me by surprise.
Yeah, I was like, okay. Now, so it comes like this, right? I'm wondering, like, did the previous owner do anything to it, or?
Not that I know of. I believe this is how it comes.
All right.
See, this doesn't look like any bumper. Any bumper stuff is gone.
Yeah, or any exhaust work.
Got little wee scratches here, because that seems like normal wear and tear.
Yeah, I was like, shoot, this nice little. Would you daily this? Oh wait,
dude who traded this in, he traded it in on a Wrangler.
Really?
Yep.
Okay. Uh-oh. Yeah, the space. Yeah, because he's like, I ain't got no back seats. This sucks.
Crazy, man.
Wow, these red seats are really nice. Got the NISMO floor mats and everything. Got the Z. Oh, it lights up too. All right. Oh, this is totally new for me, y'all. Oh my god.
He did do something with the sound system though. He got a JL audio in the back. Check this out.
Oh snap! These speakers are huge. Hold up. Yeah, somebody might be like, where can I find this? It's like, here you go.
Crank this joint.
Yeah. Here's everything that it comes with. Here's the price. Wait, where is the price? I can't even see it. Where can I find the price?
I got you on the price. Hold on, let me get it off the phone.
Oh, okay. All right. Look, got the gauges up here, so it looks a little more sporty. Push to start. Not bad at all. This one is an automatic. I'm sure this car would be really fun in manual. I'm not gonna lie. Here's the center console. Not much space, but you know, it's not what you expected. No, they don't have the three audio auxiliary inputs for like the video, sound, and.
What, they got a DVD player?
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to figure out. Like, who? Instead of do they have an auxiliary charger? Oh wait, okay, they do have a USB port. I was about to say, you a 2016, you don't have a USB charger? They do have the regular charger.
You'd be surprised how many people come in here and wouldn't buy a car if they didn't have it.
I mean, shoot, this night I like this bar. It makes it look a little more official back here. Wish it had a sunroof, but you know, I wish everything had a sunroof.
Yeah,
so
33,000.
They asking 33 for it, y'all. So if you want this,
only has 22,000 miles. That's why.
Oh, and it got 180 on the dash. Oh yeah, and this is 2016. Come on, y'all. 2018 is halfway over, so
shoot, man.
Navigation and everything else. He sounded real impressed, actually.
Yeah, man.
He sounded way more impressed than I thought. These seats, though. Recaro is always gonna impress whoever gets in the car. If they're not a car person, they're like, yo, he got what are these seats? These seats are like racing. Oh my god. Got the little
seats is dope.
Got the little red at the top. But yeah, other than just, you know, your typical wear and tear, I'm sure this guy or previous owner drove it around a lot, so
I ain't get a chance to pop
got the
the
red
hood. I don't know about
stitching.
you, but I'm popping the hood. I want to see what's up.
look, hey, I'm glad he thought of it because I sure did forget. I don't know why I thought this would say something like Nismo. That'd be sweet. Oh,
Ooh.
oh, that is clean.
Ooh.
That is clean. I was not expecting that. Yes.
No, look.
Oh, twins.
Ooh.
We got twins, y'all.
Man, look at this thing.
Got your, look, compartment for brake fluid and battery over there.
Wow, yo.
This is nice. I was not prepared.
That is dope.
I was not prepared. As y'all can tell, look, K&N.
Oh, it's
K&N, yes, it is. Both of these are K&N. Now, question, did he do this?
I believe this is stock. This got to be stock. This
All
has
right,
to be stock.
y'all, like I said, I'm not going to sit here and claim to know everything. So if you guys know whether it comes stock
I don't
like
know
that,
jack about Nissan. But
leave
that
it in,
looks stock.
leave it in the comments below. If this comes stock, that is super impressive. Yo, that is nice. But it is Nismo. So I'm just like, you know, this is like top of the line 370 from what I
Riding
understand.
in the Skyline.
Exactly.
This is top right here, dog.
That's what I'm saying. I need to get my hands on a GTR. That's gonna drop my jaw to the floor.
Fast and the Furious.
This is so nice.
Rest in
This
peace,
is
Paul Walker.
yep, for real.
So let's get around the block, man. This thing is dope.
Exactly, and
Yeah,
got
this
the
thing-
red. Shoot.
All
right. I know we gonna drive out. Look, if you want to drive back, that's fine. If you want to drive back, that is fine. I ain't gotta hog this.
Yeah, you definitely have to scoot up.
Hey, look. Is this the old fashioned? You gotta pull it up and scoot it up. Yep, it's the old fashioned. Come on, y'all.
There's nice stuff in here. You gotta pull it up.
I know, that's what I'm saying. I was like, that's disappointing.
The steering wheel?
Yeah. It's like I feel a lever.
Oh, they got paddle shifters.
Yeah, these paddle shifters are tight. I feel a lever and I don't want to.
There you go. You good? Oh, the whole thing comes down. This whole joint.
Oh, dang. Okay,
Can you
now
push it in and out?
Now I can see. Nope.
I should just lift up and down.
Yep, just lift up and down.
Oh yeah, that steering wheel feels nice too.
Dang.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
This is a dead end.
Oh, I got a backup camera. That's helpful. This steering wheel feels really tight.
Yeah, it looks that way. Are you good?
All right, just making sure.
There you go. We're good. All right, so we're gonna go around the back this way.
Okay.
Because you know this is one of those smaller vehicles, so it's built for handling.
Okay.
So let's see how well it handles up here. There's a turn up here. Stay at about 40 miles an hour going around that joint, man. See how it feels.
You hear that?
I
You hear that intake? Yeah, you hear that? Oh snap! All right, so you gotta let me know. So you want me to just keep going?
Yeah,
Like,
man. Keep
all
going
right.
straight. Where we at? We at 40?
Yep.
Yeah, stay right on that. That's why you got bucket seats, man.
Exactly.
So hug us, y'all.
Ooh, I like this.
Yeah, hugs a turn. Really
Yeah,
good. Look
very
at that.
easy. And I was like, I was barely in that turn.
Yeah,
This
man.
is nice. Now it is a little bumpy. I'm not gonna lie,
A little
but
bit bumpy, yeah.
it's I don't think you get this car for ride quality. But you know, these seats, like I said, they hold you. They got a decent amount of cushion.
That's one thing I have noticed about a lot of these. Just, you know, I'm from Florida. And down there, everybody wants to ride around in old Acuras, and everybody thinks they, you know, Fast and the Furious. Rest in peace, Paul Walker. You know what I'm saying? Everybody think they Fast and the Furious. You know, want to hook the cars up, put the loud exhaust on. The car ain't going nowhere. Not doing nothing. But,
whoa! You felt that turbo? Hold
Yeah, I
on.
felt that kick.
thing kicked in.
yo.
Oh, I had to take my foot off.
Yo.
Okay. Okay. All right. Them that turbo lag. He took his sunglasses off.
Man, make it right and do it again.
Okay. You gotta tell me twice. Dang. Are you serious? Yeah, because I went and then it was like, shoo. I was like, all right, let's try this again.
Yeah, let's oh yeah, there you go.
That is tough.
Ooh.
That is hella tough.
Ooh.
Yo, and it's a good sound too.
Ooh, man.
Dang.
Wow.
Put you back in your seat.
Okay, Nissan.
Okay, is this
all right, man.
is this front wheel or is this
All right, I'm sure it's rear. Let me see.
And it said how much horsepower again?
Let's find out.
Yeah, well, we looking into this. I'm learning just along with you guys. So I hope I hope y'all get some good information out of this.
7-speed automatic.
7-speed, okay.
Yeah, 7
Not bad, not bad. Considering everything's like 10-speed now.
Yeah.
The only complaint that I have about this car is just the space and the ride quality. But like I said, it's nothing that's gonna be like, oh, I didn't know that.
It's rear wheel, yeah.
Oh, okay. All right, that makes a lot of sense. That's why it pushed you forward instead of pulling you forward.
Pulling me up.
That is tough. I don't know why. I feel like when I sit in this car, I feel like a 22-year-old. This fits like a 22-year-old perfectly for some reason.
Yes, that's
you know.
I had an Audi 2003 A4 3.0 Quattro. Yep. I was about that age too. So
Yep.
Sounds about right. Yeah.
I'm so excited to do more reviews like cars like this, like GTRs and Scion. I want to do a Scion FRS or a Subaru BRZ. I almost got that car. I'm so serious.
Subaru WRX.
So and a WRX, like I said, I'm gonna start. See, oh yeah, he did show me that one. That's right. It was right next to a Mustang.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna start doing reviews on all types of cars. So muscle, sport, trucks. Like I said, I'm doing trucks too, y'all. So please make sure you stay tuned if you're enjoying these car reviews. I'm sorry this one wasn't super informative because I'm learning right along with you guys. This was not my specialty. Of course, this is not a Nissan lot. I didn't get this off of there, but I saw it. It looked really cool, and I was like, I gotta test drive this thing. So I appreciate Trayvon for helping me out with that. Like I said, see, he likes it too. Brakes are good because there were a couple times I was like, whoop, yep.
I wonder what kind of brakes are. Those are just Nissan brakes. I don't know.
Yeah,
because Brembos. I'm not sure.
They might be the way they grab it.
Yeah, man.
I was like, shoot, these are nice. And if you really put an exhaust on this, oh my God, it's gonna be so nice. But
you just hear this.
So as always, if you guys enjoyed the video, don't be afraid to hit it with a like and subscribe to my channel. If you're enjoying my content, I post twice a week, so there's always something fun to watch. And I will see you guys in my next video coming out soon. Y'all take care. Man, y'all, I'm sorry. I know I said the video was over, but we both drove it. And when I tell y'all there was something, can we show them the tire real quick? Yeah. Because this surprised me. So here we got spacious trunk. It's very high, so we cut the speakers on, and we're just like, where's this bass coming from? Yeah. Because there's two little itty bitty speakers, not including the speakers that the guy put in there, the previous owner. Two little itty bitty speakers over there. So we're just like, where's this bass coming from?
Them two joints right there ain't even on. And it's just the two Bose speakers in the door, and then the two right back here. That's it.
Yeah. So we did from four little bitty speakers, but they Bose. Yeah. So there's that. I'm using this like a daggone pointer. I'm a teacher.
Right.
But yeah. So we did some investigating back in the trunk, and there's some hooks. Wait, so it keeps it down?
Whatever.
Wait, no, there was a hook. There's a hook right here.
Hook there, hook there, hook here. You know what I'm saying?
Ask them about this. We saw this, and we're like, who's gonna hook up a child in this car? Where are they gonna go?
Yeah, I'm confused about that.
Where are they gonna go?
Right here?
I told him, no, you don't put a child in there.
Hey, dog, I would be back here though.
I said, that's the universal baby latch, because in every vehicle they have the same little code or picture on there. So I said it's the universal baby latch. You shouldn't put a baby in this car, but if you can, let me know, because I don't know where they're gonna go.
Who owns one?
Exactly. I was like, who owns one and put a whole infant in this car?
And then you got this here.
Yep. And we were like, bam, look at that, Bose right there. So there's your amp.
And then the amps, the other amp is down in here.
Is that the amp? Hold on, is that the amp that came with the two speakers, you think?
Probably. So this one might be for the Bose.
Yeah, that's probably the stock.
That one's for them.
That one's exactly. Yep. See, look at us using the brain meat.
There you go. And of course,
you lift. Got your jack.
You lift this.
Cut out for your tools.
You got
and boom, the spare tire. Right? So yeah, because at first we were like, is there even room for a tire with this amp right here? Yeah. And I was like, no, they gotta have a spare tire somewhere. So boom, found that out.
That's stupid.
So you do a little bit of discovering. Yeah, man. Like I said, I would have loved to do a panoramic view of the car. It is a little dirty, mind you, but I love the red accents that you got here. This lights up when you unlock your car, and this serves as a turn signal as well, so the people on the side know which way you're going. Got the headlights that look really clean, got the detail and everything. This thing really has the power. If you want to put it down, it has the power. I'm not gonna lie. Like, look at it. Come on now.
By far one of the dopest cars I've ever driven.
And it took both of us by surprise. That's what I love about it, because we got in it and we were just like, no freaking way. This car is nice. Now, like I said, exactly. It pulls. So I'm sorry that I had to kind of cut back into this video, but this is nice. Like, I'm really impressed. So like I said, I can't wait to do some of the other cars that are similar to this. Anyways, but thank you guys again. Gotta wrap up the video one more time. As usual, hit the like button if you enjoyed this video and subscribe to my channel. I post twice a week, so you guys always have something fun to watch. He's still mind blown, yo.
That's wild.
He is mind blown. That car is dope.
Yeah.
But yeah, thank you guys again for watching. I'll see y'all next time. Take care.